There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story behind you. Maya Angelou. If you have ever written a story, you might know how good it feels to express. Writing skill is a very important skill. It helps the reader to put his or her thoughts in words and create a meaningful sentence. So the reader understands what the writer thinks about the topic. But why is it important? In the 21st century, writing skills are essential for the youth to sharpen their thinking and communication skills. It makes our thinking and learning visible and permanent. It has become something which we can't ignore, as more than half of the professions in 21st century require writing. For example, doctors require writing to prescribe medicines. Companies require writing to advertise their products. Also, most professional employees in 21st century are expected to write. And if someone lacks in writing skills, there is a less chance for the person to get a job in 21st century. Specifically, writing in itself has become a profession. People are paid to write blogs, articles, and advertisements. Now, let's talk about how I have learned writing skills in the YoungStar English Programme. 3 years ago, when I joined, I really hated writing. I really found it boring. But now it's just the opposite. Now I really enjoy writing. I really enjoy the way I'm able to express myself into a visible and permanent way. I did a lot of activities in the YoungStar English Programme which helped me to mature my writing skills. And one of the activity is diary entry, wherein we have to describe our whole day as we are talking to a person, which is diary in this case. I think diary entry has really helped me improving my writing skills, as when we are sharing our thoughts and feelings to someone, we unknowingly increase our confidence and communication.